Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Thank you for waiting. Thank you for your patience. So we are at Spokumbent Retreat. We're in Wenatchee, Washington at Wenatchee Confluence State Park, all gathering for a ride, mystery ride to me. And I am Sylvia. Welcome to Travels by Trike. And we're gonna go on a pretty nice ride today. We should get a good view of the trails, lovely, lovely trails. It's a beautiful day. And fun people, very fun people, including Leslie. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go.
They don't care.
All right, let's go.
Puppy. That's the mom. Roy.
Carol, Fiona back here.
I'm gonna see if I can't get up here. Slowing. Oh, we're gonna wait for these bikers to come. Well, I'm gonna go up ahead then.
Yep. She was born the day before St. Patrick's.
Well, hello. On your left. More, many more coming.
Morning.
Try to get Fiona in her goggles. She's so cute. Hi, Fiona. Hi, little sweetie. Fiona's a star. Yeah. Hi, cutie. We're stopped here having a little break, letting the puppies run. Hi, little sweetheart. Get some of everybody here. Miss Fiona. Yeah, wind's pretty fierce out here. Should calm down when we get to the next section. There goes Jackie. Nice ferry, Bob. My squeaky seat. Here goes Lonnie. All right, everybody. So we just had a wonderful Spokumbent Retreat 2024. Fabulous ride today. It's for sure over 30 miles. I, of course, left my Garmin charging and don't know exactly the number of miles. But I think there was about 25 people for the Spokumbent Retreat in total. And just a really, really lovely time. Very nice people, lots of puppies. And we are now back at Wenatchee Confluence State Park, which is the headquarters. This is where most people are camped for the event. You can see people are just getting back. Here comes Lonnie on his trike, and here's Carol. You can see some trikes here. And yeah, so just a really, really fun event. So thanks for following along, and I will see you next time.